A warm welcome to one and all. Today we are going to learn the possessive pronouns in accusative case. The possessive pronoun in accusative. In my previous video, we have seen how to use the possessive pronouns in nominative case. Now we are going to see how to use the possessive pronouns in accusative case. So what is the difference between the nominative statement and the accusative statement? Nominative statement is nothing but a subject that is only having a subject and verb in it. But the accusative statement is a sentence that is having both subject as well as object along with the verb. So if you observe here, this is the same tabular form that we have used for nominative case. But what is the difference and how it makes the nominative table and the accusative table different? The answer is nothing but just adding some extra alphabets to a column in this table converts this table of nominative possessive pronouns into accusative possessive pronouns. So the modification we need to do is in masculine column. The addition we need to do is add en to all the possessive pronouns that are in masculine column. So instead of mine, mina, it is now mine and mine, mina, thine and thine, dina, and so on. This is the only modification that we need to do. That means we will be having a visible difference only when the common noun happens to be in masculine gender and it is in accusative case. For example, we can say Ich möchte dash Wagen kaufen. My statement in English happens to be I would like to buy his vehicle. Concentrate carefully here. So if you observe, who is the doer of the action? Who would like to buy something? The answer is I. So I is the subject of the statement. Similarly, what am I willing to buy? I am willing to buy the vehicle. Vehicle is the object. But whose vehicle am I willing to buy? That is his vehicle. So his vehicle together will be in the object of the statement, that is in the accusative case. So according to accusative case, vehicle is masculine in gender and I am willing to buy his vehicle. So my answer will be Ich möchte seinen Wagen kaufen. Okay, then for example, my statement is not Wagen this time but car, which is the neuter gender Auto. Let me change the verb this time. Ich möchte dash Auto verkaufen, which is the opposite of kaufen, meaning to sell. I would like to sell my car is the statement this time. If it is I would like to sell my car, I am the one who is willing to do the action of selling something. So ish is the nominative case. What am I willing to sell is a car. Car is the accusative case. So my answer here will be Ich möchte mein Auto verkaufen. Why is it mine here? Because Auto happens to be neuter gender and there is no change in the neuter possessive pronouns when compared to nominative possessive pronouns. So mine remains mine. But in the previous statement, it will be seinen because Wagen is masculine and in the accusative case, Wagen takes, the masculine common noun takes one extra en to the possessive pronouns. This is how we will differentiate the possessive pronouns usage compared to the nominative case as well as the accusative case. Hope you understood the concept. If you have any doubts, please do comment in the comment section and I will definitely respond to all your queries. Thank you for watching.
Hope you liked the video. Please like, share and subscribe the channel. Do not forget to click on the bell icon for more updates. Thank you.